Oo nga, MJ.
Mommy, I want to play this.
Okay, bring it here. Oh, you can put it here, Jelana. Dear.
No.
You can stick to that one.
Oh, teacher.
Yeah, right? Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Try here.
Yeah, I'm watching you, see?
Here.
Okay.
Dada chest. Dada chest. Grandma wound.
Is that your sticker, princess sticker?
I want to do this one.
Okay. Oh, wow, I like that.
Okay.
That's so
I
fancy.
want to do this one.
Okay.
Like this.
I like your sticker.
Pay how to get the pop one.
Mm-hmm.
Put it on. Pay you need the ball.
Okay.
Pay you need this.
Maraming mumu ah.
Now
Bakit?
you need this. This one.
Oo.
Now you lock it.
What is that? What happened? Are you doing your sticker?
Yeah.
Thank you for subscribing. What is that, Jelana? What you got? Whoa. That's her sticker, guys. Do you like your sticker?
Yeah. Look.
Oh, wow.
Look at this.
Let me see what dress she had now. Oh, wow. That's a
Good.
cute dress.
Good.
Oh, she got shoes too?
Yeah.
Nice.
Look
Good
at
job.
the already.
Yeah. Oh, you can take it out? That's magic. Oh. Who's pretty girl?
You and me.
Ah, you're so nice.
Daddy, hold on, hit it.
No.
Just,
Nope.
oh, Daddy, home.
Daddy home? Daddy home, sabi niya. Yan yung nilalaro niya. Ayan siya. Yun ang maganda kay Jelana. Pwede siya maglaro mag-isa. Ilalaro niya, di ba guys? Yun.
Daddy, home.
Oh, good job.
Daddy, home. I do my fun.
Yeah. No, you need to play
Hey,
first.
I want to play this place.
Okay, play that first. Naglalaro. Nayos na pala dito.
Inayos ko nga ron. Too bad. Too sad.
Too bad, so sad.
Yeah.
Grandma, clean up your toys.
Oh, Daddy Nina.
Naglalaro naman kasi siya, nagagamit niya yung mga laruan eh.
Mommy, take pin.
Kaso nainis na yung tatay niya.
Eh,
Daddy home.
Daddy home?
Yeah, here.
Yeah. Where did he go? In a meeting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sadusi.
Maayos naman yun.
Ayos na naman. Marami pa dyan. Marami pa dito ni.
Marami pa dyan. Jelana, you got lots of toys.
I take that paper too.
Oh, you sent to the Philippines?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow. Good job.